All right, folks, in this segment, we meet the man behind the cheese, Jonathan Lalicata, owner of the Ambassador Cheese, moved from Italy to live in Portland and has now built a life and a business rooted in flavor and culture. Buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
I said it right?
Yeah, very good. Yes.
How long have you been in Jamaica?
17 years.
Why? Why you came to Jamaica in the first place?
Well, I was younger, and then two basic things, music, reggae music and Rastafari. I always been this way even before coming to Jamaica, because I do music as well, even back in Europe.
So when you say you do music, what does that mean? You play music, you're an artist, what?
Yeah. I used to have a band.
Yeah, what? You play or you're an artist? Which one?
Well, both of them.
Both of them?
Yeah, I play drum and percussion and I sing,
Okay.
recording different albums as well.
Okay. You married to a Jamaican?
One time. I've been there as well.
So not married to a Jamaican anymore?
Don't know yet.
Oh, you don't know
At
yet?
the moment, no.
So you told me before we came on, you started this 5 years ago.
Yes.
And you've been here 17 years. So what you did for the other 12 years?
Okay, the past year I had 2 guest houses in Portland.
Okay.
Then, because of interest and thing, I wanted to change, and I followed this passion of mine that, started in Europe, back in Europe.
Oh, you started this in Europe before here?
Yeah, as well, yeah.
Why Portland? How you end up in Portland?
Well, I've been all over Jamaica in the first year. Then I found myself in Portland. Basically follow my feeling, and I feel like it is a quiet place, very nice as well. One of the beautiful parish for me.
Yeah, man.
Alongside with St. Elizabeth and all the Blue Mountain side, you know.
Oh, beautiful. All right, so you said, so you had experience making cheese before you started. How you make cheese?
Yeah, basically it's a kind of chemistry, you know. It's very simple and it's an ancient thing. Anyway, in this case, because there are 100 types of cheeses, this one has a fresh cheese. It's very simple. Cow milk, rennet, it is one enzyme that helps the cheese to coagulate.
What is it called?
Rennet.
Rennet.
In English, rennet.
Yeah.
We call it caglio.
Yeah?
And then, in this case, you start to warm up the milk. At a certain point, you add the rennet.
This is what we're looking at on TV, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And,
What did you say? 100 different kinds of cheese?
Yeah.
So what makes the difference?
The process, and as well, if you want to start to speak about cure cheese, the way you cure the cheese in a cellar, underneath the earth. No, strange.
And that makes a different taste?
Yeah. Even as well, you use like some bacteria. When I say bacteria, some good one that help the creation of the different type.
Yeah, because some cheeses have a strange smell to some of them, don't they?
Yeah, because of the different type of fermentation. The famous, for example, blue cheese, you use a mold. Is the penicillin, that one that actually is have been discovered not 200 years ago and is a medicine. So, but then you insert in the cheese the mold, and those bacteria.
So you put the penicillin in the cheese?
Yeah. And
Boy.
and that's why the blue in the cheese.
All right. So show me what you doing this morning. You going to show us how to make something or what? What you showing?
No, just to have a taste, because to make it here will be like a long process.
So how long would it take?
No, 2 hours, 3 hours.
So what is this right here?
This one is mozzarella.
That's cheese?
Yeah, it's mozzarella.
So it's made already?
Yeah, of course. Today I carry the cheese made already. And this one is mozzarella, and this one is ricotta. It is like cottage cheese.
What do they call it? That feta cheese or something? No?
No, ricotta.
Ricotta.
Yeah. Feta is from Greece.
Feta is from Greece?
Yeah.
So all the other cheeses that you've made are from Italy?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So what it look like that though? It don't look cheesy to me.
Yeah, it is. Look. This one is a fresh cheese, and this one basically mozzarella is the famous one that go on pizza.
Yeah. So it kind of almost look like coconut water. Is it it's just regular water?
Yeah, no, it's like water with salt to preserve the cheese. Anyway, as a fresh cheese, this one lasts 1 week because no preservative. You start to put preservative, it is the one you find in the supermarket, it lasts 3 months.
So you said this only lasts a week?
Yeah, because it's fresh. There are no preservatives.
Okay.
And that's it.
And what else is in? So that is what? Just the milk?
This one is milk. the rennet that I told you, and salt.
And so that's it?
Yeah, that's it. No other things. Yep.
So how many different, give me a tiny piece, and not a,
Yeah.
anyway, tiny. No, tiny. That is not tiny, Jonathan. Yeah, man, give me that, man.
Take it.
Guess what? Tastes like cheese.
You want to try the ricotta as well?
No, I'm good.
Okay. All right.
Well, this is great.
That's it. And
All right. This gentleman don't eat from about yesterday. Could you make him a sandwich, please?
yeah. No problem.
His family not here, so him don't eat regularly.
You want the mozzarella or the ricotta?
Ricotta.
Ricotta.
Yeah, him sound all Italian. Ricotta. But actually, this tastes like regular cheese.
Yeah. This one This one is homemade bread from some Italian people in Portland, from a place called La Famiglia. Can come.
Some Italian people
Yeah.
in Portland.
As well.
Not
Portland. No. I don't do
All right.
bread.
We have to talk about this marriage thing. Plenty cheese that though. Suppose to full in belly till tomorrow.
The Italian way can come.
Come, Garticus, do that.
Sorry.
What is that? Bun, bread?
No, this one is a mixed seed whole wheat bread.
So you make the bread also?
No. These two friends of mine from this place called La Famiglia in Portland.
Gustoso.
Gustoso. Gustoso is Spanish, but,
Okay.
but it's the same, man.
No man says Spanish.
the
The
same.
man is Italian.
It's the same thing.
Yeah.
This is-
Really
Right.
serious.
Arrivederci.
Grazie.
All right.
All right, so again, how many, and who do you sell the cheese to?
Okay. Basically, I sell cheese to private people. They place the order and I deliver. But mostly my business right now is with the resort, the big resort, so I can make numbers. I have some deal with some resorts.
Oh, fantastic. And how many different kinds of cheeses you said?
Now, at the moment myself, I make four different types. Today I carry these two, one here, the fresh one. Then I have a next couple.
Beautiful.
Looking forward eventually to do the cure
Yeah.
one.
I have a little sister inside.
Okay.
And she would like you to make her a sandwich. But you'd probably have to do it when we go for a break.
Yeah, of course. Anyway, thanks a lot. All right.
Arrivederci?
Arrivederci.
Yeah, I like it.
Arrivederci means see you again.
I know.
Okay.
No, because I never want to say see you again with him.
All right. No.
Don't see you again.
Too late now.
Owner of the Ambassador Cheese. Where exactly in Portland?
Ferry Hill, East
Very good.
Portland.
Okay. Do you you have an online
Yes.
that people can order?
Yeah. On Instagram is the Ambassador Cheese. DE Ambassador Cheese is my only profile.
All right.
Instagram.
Do me a favor.
Yeah.
Say all of that in Italian.
What about the?
No, what you read that in Italian.
Ok. Dopo la pausa avremo la banda, parleremo con la banda, intervisteremo la banda. Qui a TVJ.
All right. In English, Jonathan Lalicata. I didn't hear your name though. After the break, we speak with the band.
Exactly. Thanks.
I love it.